Hi guys, it's Vlogman101 and this is Garden Part 2. My phone cut off, so I don't know why that happened. But as I was saying is, we have all kinds of blueberry bushes like this, and they produce pretty well. I'd say we have 9 or 10 blueberry bushes, and we probably get over 1,000 blueberries a year. I talked about my irises right here, and there's 5 or 6 more plots that I'm going to clear out once I get the weed whacker. Clear them out and plant irises in them. It's worse for wear, definitely, but with work and a lot of time, this will eventually be a really nice garden. And then, hey, we have some daisies blooming right there. And some more over there and everywhere. Over here you can really see the backyard. It's pretty big. And like I said in the last video, there's a pond back there with 2 creeks that run into it. And a third one over in the woods that dried up. And then there's these bricks down here, like 50 of them that I haven't used yet. But it's gonna go over here and make kind of like an L shape. And I'm gonna put soil and whatnot in it. Plant irises and lilies. It's gonna be nice once it all comes together. This used to be a really nice garden, but over the years, it's just kind of gone to waste. Down there's old grapevines and apple trees and plums. Actually, the plums died. Then, right over here is a kiwi plant, and it produces a lot of kiwis every year. Then we got our pine cones over here. It's nice. This used to be the steps to enter this place, and then just recently I've kind of redid it a little bit, just a little, and started planting stuff, but I ran out of time and funds, so it's kind of messy at the moment and not finished, but it will be okay. We just got home today from going to places like Kroger and Dollar Tree and Food Lion. Tomorrow is my dad's birthday, so we went to Dollar Tree and I got him some balloons and whatnot. I'll show you that in a minute. But yeah, this is our, or my, whichever you would like to say, disrepaired garden. It's kind of a shame, really. Oh look, my sister put the goats back in the run with everybody else. Turkeys and guineas and chicken fight. Man, I'm out of breath. Turkeys and geese, goats, chickens. There's our dog run, a shed, chicken cages, and whatever else. There's some more little ducks. They're gonna be huge suckers. More chickens everywhere. There's Phoenix, our big rooster. It's a beautiful boy. Alas. We're here to the balloons. Dollar Tree has some really good quality balloons. But some of them, even for $1, that aren't that bad, last for months. And then some, if you're not careful, don't last but a week. Mr. Number One Dad for my dad. And happy birthday, the purple star. And over there, just a look at all the chickens we have. Hey babies. There's the little babies. There's 4 of them right there. But anyway, just a pretty quick and short video. Just on basic day-to-day life, I guess. That's our road up there. We have a long driveway and it's a pain in the rear to shovel when we've got snow. But we don't got snow right now, so we don't have to worry. It's currently June and it won't be until like December until we get snow. Crossing my fingers on that though. Y'all have a happy holidays, even though that's like 2 weeks from now. I'll have some more videos in the future, and once we get closer to Father's Day, I'll say it again. Don't you two little fight over there. Be nice. They're not gonna be nice. Anyway, see you later. Peace.